DJ, I wanna rap. I'm a blood clot DJ, I'm a shut selector boy.
YouTube. What's good, YouTube gang? You already know what time it is. Dan is back in the lab. Yo, today we have with Skippa, the one in the mirror. We're gonna check it out and see what dog I deal with. Skippa, really talented artist. I don't know. Skippa been doing this thing, man. Last track we reacted from Skippa was what? Mozart? That was the last track we did from Skippa? Yeah, that was the last track we did from Skippa. So we are back. Skippa the one in the mirror. We'll check it out and see what Skippa down deal with. Long time I reacted from Skippa, so now we'll be very much stronger, gang. Let's get it. You don't know, hit like and subscribe button. We're up to 10K. You see me, gang? We're taking over 2025. We the best. Come on. Come on. Alright, you staring in the mirrors. Chest. Come on. I look like you're frost out.
Yeah, I got a lot on my mind and I don't know where I be going. Probably act dumb, but I be knowing. Need to slow them funny jokes cause it be showing. I'm the only get the feeling, feel a moment.
Damn, bro, you need some funny jokes for you. The man say I be going. And you only get the feeling for a moment. That means you're going too hard, Skip. It's not being effective no more, Skip them. Come on, man. Look at your eyes, man. And you gone right now shooting this video, bro. You're high up there. You're up there. Come on, Skip. Take care of yourself.
Inside my heart that shit be frozen. I just be going through the motions and rolling the potions. The bed too deep, I down the ocean. Sometimes I miss the times I know
going to the road motion, just rolling the potion. Come on.
Said the mirror, I know all is all I see. I done a vision, I know plan B. Me see a little boy want me just like me.
Man say, yo, dog, no tunnel, no, just a tunnel vision, no plan B. You see me as weird. Dog say that not
all I see.
When you dog say?
Sometimes I miss the times when nobody knows. Said the mirror, I know all is all I see. I done a vision, I know plan B. Me see a little boy want me just like me.
When you say a mirror on the wall is all him see, that means he not see reflection, he can't see himself. That's what Skippa say.
No, no, you can't turn back. Tell him life is our artist chop. The follow no girl, stay up on the calling up.
You stay up on your grind and your mission. You see me replace trap with mission, your purpose. And he's right. You see me not follow that girl, dog. Stay up on your purpose. Yeah, man.
But tell him one red hard and we gonna fear goal. Not a girl, nobody sell out your soul. But the granny I got dead before the music work out. But still she have to bro, look how the demon turn out. We go on the world now.
Whoa. Man said just focus on this now.
But tell him one red hard and we gonna fear goal. Not a girl, nobody sell out your soul. But the granny I got dead before the music work out. But still she have to bro, look how the demon turn out. We go on the
Ja, skip them.
world now. That's all I'm a girl now. Four tire on the X4 a burn out. And anywhere where they demand bitches a turn out.
Yes.
Tire on the X4.
I want to dance like that girl now. And 4 tires are spin running on the X and it a burn out.
Say the mirror, I know all is
Life
all
changes.
I see. I done a vision, I know plan B. Me see a little boy want be just like me. Reach out for it, done 19. All me know you can do it.
That little boy want to be just like me. Reach out before he turn 19. Easy, you know?
You're better now.
Yes, youths.
Me no care where you want to talk.
do it.
Been through it. Yeah, it's kinda hard, but dog, you don't stupid. Got a lot on my mind and I don't know how we
That's facts. It's kind of hard, but dog, you don't stupid. You see what I'm saying? Come here now.
going. Probably act dumb, but I be knowing. Need to slow them funny jokes cause it be showing. I'm the only get the feeling, feel a moment. Inside my heart that shit be frozen. I just be
Come on.
going through the motions and rolling the potions. The bed too deep, I done the ocean. Sometimes I miss the times when nobody knows. Said the mirror, I know all is all I see. I done a vision, I know plan B. Me see a little boy want be just like me. I know you can't turn back. Tell him life is our artist chop. The follow no girl, stay
On the calling up. stay upon your grind, you stay upon the purpose, not follow nobody. You see me, I say, keep your meds, tunnel vision. You see me? Yeah. Yeah, man, tunnel vision to your thing, bro. People don't understand this. You cannot watch people around you. Not family members, not friends, not acquaintances, none of that. You know what you're working towards. You see me, I say? So you can't focus on them, bro.
Yep, on the calling up.
All is all I see. Boy, you know me just like me. Easy, huh?
Ready?
Mad. Skip them. Yeah, man, they want to name Mirror. Yeah, I'm rocking with that one, gang. So let me know what y'all think in the comment section. Skip that doing thing, man. You see? Skip being on a roll. Not just now. You see me? I say, I wish blood to this song is 9 months ago wrong. The video look I've never seen before. The blood. Oh yeah. At least about the therapy session. Well, anyway, gang, yeah. Skippa really doing this thing. You see me? I say, yeah, really come to create this place in the dance hall. You see me? A lot of hits on that belt. And these younger youth I look up to Skippa. You see me? I say, slowly become one of the dance hall favorite. You see me? I say, and the younger youth definitely look up to him. You see me? I say, Skippa doing this thing, man. You see me? You them love him style, the meds. You see, plus he's been getting to the bags from a young youth. You see me? I say, one of the dog them known to be a top chopper. You see me? I say, enough of you them want to be a chopper. Enough of you them look up to Skippa right now. They're definitely doing thing. You see me? So big up to Skippa. Keep going, gang. You don't know. Sky's the limit, bro. We just going there, enjoy the journey and see how far you take it. You see me? I say, yeah, man, gang. Let me know anything about the one in the comment section. If you like the one, definitely show the artist some love and support. Make you know what's at the dancing. You see me? I say, gang. Also, drop on comments, drop on requests so you can get a shout out. You don't know. Just take it. The right thing. You like and subscribe, but you don't know. Till next time, take care of yourself and each other. Love you guys. I'm out.
I always tell the truth. Even when I lie.